Hey there. In this video, we will learn how to share Instagram QR code on Android. Instagram QR codes are an easy and quick way to share your profile with others. Just follow these simple steps to get started. Step 1. Open the Instagram app and log into your account. Step 2. Once you're on the home screen, tap on your profile picture down below. Step 3. Next, tap on the 3 stacked lines in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen to open the menu. Step 4. From the menu, choose QR code. This will take you to a page where you can see your QR code. Step 5. If you want to customize the look of your QR code, tap on Color to choose a new color and Style to choose a new design. Step 6. Once you're happy with the design, press Share Profile to share your QR code with others. You can share your QR code using text message, email, or through other social media platforms. That's it. Anyone can scan your QR code with their phone's camera and be taken directly to your Instagram profile. Sharing your Instagram QR code on Android is a great way to promote your profile and connect with others. You can share your QR code on your social media profiles, website, business cards, or even at events. And that's all there is to it. Sharing your Instagram QR code on Android is quick and easy and can help you grow your following on the platform. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials on using Instagram and other social media apps.